Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I have been decluttering our apartment like a madwoman, and today I decluttered the closet and thought I'd bring you along on the journey. I'm going to give you all my closet clearing out tips and also show you how you can easily sell your clothes on the Poshmark app. It's amazing, a great way to make some extra cash, and we're just going to really deep clean the closet, so let's get started. So the first thing I like to do is just go through the closet, really touch everything with my hands and pull anything out that I think I might want to get rid of. I make a try-on pile. I think it's important to have a try-on party before you decide what you're going to get rid of. And I always get hair and makeup ready because I feel like when I'm trying things on, I can say to myself, well, oh, this might look better if I was like ready for the day. So I just make sure to get ready for the day so I don't have that excuse. So I'm just going through and pulling out anything that I haven't worn in a while that I think I might want to get rid of. I've also excitingly lost a little bit of weight recently, so just anything I don't really feel comfortable in anymore. And this is also a good time to kind of straighten out and organize the clothes as well. Pull out any like random hangers. I don't know if that happens to anybody else. Oh, it just happened right there. But I just find random hangers that I take the clothes off and I just leave them there, which I try not to do. Oh, I'm showing you my cute please send dog picture my mom just got me. It's Wild Fox. I'll link it down below if I can find it. But yeah, so I am just pulling things out, making a pile of try on things and just really focusing on what I haven't worn. I feel like if I haven't worn it in a year, it's time to try it on and reevaluate if I still want it and why I'm not wearing it, you know, just simple things like that. So just really pulling out a bunch of clothes and reorganizing everything. Also, you can tell my closet is color coordinated, which I love and I think everybody should do. Oh, wanted to show you my Halloween dresses. Yes, can't wait to wear those soon. So then I have my piles of clothing and dresses and tops, and I am just going to try them on. I do put on the appropriate attire with them to see how they would really look. So some shorts, cute little dresses, and some sweaters, and just, you know, deciding what I want to keep, what I want to get rid of. So then I have a pile of keep and get rid of, and the keep pile I just hang back up in the closet. Again, another good chance to like really organize the clothes, make sure all the hangers are facing the same way, make sure all the colors are in the correct order you want them in. I really find color coordinating your closet so easy to find what you want, so I'd highly recommend it if you haven't done it this far in your life. But yeah, so I'm just hanging back up all of the clothes. And then I am taking all of the hangers and organizing those. I have the velvet hangers, which I think are truly life-changing. My closet isn't too small, but it's also not the biggest, so the velvet hangers allow me to have more space. They're just so much thinner, and honestly, I didn't think it would make that big of a difference, but they're honestly great, so I would highly recommend those. I got mine at HomeGoods. Then I'm going through the pile of clothes that I'm getting rid of and determining what is in good enough condition to sell. So if there's a lot of wear and tear on it, or just clearly like looks like it's been worn, I don't like to sell it just because I wouldn't personally want to buy something like that. So that goes in the donate pile, or my sister can dig through it. So I really take my time and try to look at where the wear and tear is and how good of condition it's in. And it also depends on the brand, like would this sell well, you know, things like that. So I'm just going through all of the clothes, making two piles, as you can see. And then the donate pile I am putting into a little garbage bag because I don't know, we always have a donate garbage bag on hand at all times. So there's that. Then it is time to take pictures of the items I am going to sell. We just have a little hook on the back of our bedroom door for robes and such, so I just usually hang it on there. And I take a picture of the front of the item, the label and size, any up-close details, any imperfections the buyer might want to be aware of, and the back. I just like to give the buyer as many angles and options and details as possible. And I just take the photos on my iPhone because they make it very easy to post in the Poshmark app, so it's just easiest if it's just on your phone. And plus, the iPhone cameras are so good these days. I just try to make sure there's good lighting, or that the lighting is showing off what the clothes really look like. So yeah, I'm just taking pictures of all of the clothing and I'm going to list them after that. I will say I've sold some things on Instagram in the past, but Poshmark has a much wider audience of people that are like willing to buy and sell. So I would highly recommend it. I'm going to show you how I post things. It's so simple. So you just pick the pictures of the item you want to sell, and you can pick multiple ones at a time. Then you just crop the photo just to make sure. I would say your cover photo, make it the front of the picture, but any like big detail, I would make that the cover photo. You can add filters if you want, but I choose not to, just to try and give off exactly what the clothes look like. And then they just give you a very easy descriptive fill out situation that marks all the clothing. It organizes it in the app, so when people are searching for it, it pops up right away. And it's just really super simple and easy. You say if it's new, you say what color it is, you say the original price, how much you want to sell for it, and it tells you your fee from it. So it's really great, really easy. I will have my link down below if you want to go and shop my closet. And yeah, please let me know your closet so I can shop yours. I'm definitely already shopping for honeymoon attire on Poshmark. So yeah. Then I'm just clearing out all of the shoes and the hamper and the shoe racks and just anything on the floor because I'm going to get in there and deep clean the closet, aka vacuum. So just taking out the shoe rack, the fan we keep in there, and I'm using my new cordless vacuum I got at my bridal shower. I will be doing a bridal shower haul soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm just vacuuming it up. This never gets done, so it's such a good feeling when it does get done, and a cordless vacuum is life-changing. So then I'm just going to put everything back and reorganize the shoes and just go through them and see if there's any of them that I want to get rid of to also sell on Poshmark. I decided to get rid of those sandals that I haven't worn in literally 5 years, so goodbye to those sandals. Then I'm just reorganizing all the flats because I did get rid of a couple pairs of shoes, so I had some room. And yeah, it's just important to go through this because look how dusty the sandal is. That's disgusting. So I'm dusting my shoes, reorganizing them, and then I'm putting everything else back. And then after that, I have a very clean and cleared out closet, and it just feels so good. I've always felt so good after I clean out my closet. And I also reorganized the top shelf. That's just my suitcase and then a little bin of like travel bags. And yeah, so I just have a newly, freshly cleaned out closet. It feels great. Thank you again to Poshmark for sponsoring this video, and I will again have my closet linked down below if you want to shop it. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more decluttering videos, just let me know. I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon.